The weather is finally on our side and we're back. Everything is cleaned up. Look how beautiful that's looking. We're going to start taking off the seals and cleaning up these two. So that's your vacuum pump, your oil housing filter, because that's where the leaks were, along with the valve cover, the oil sump gasket. So I saved you the boring bit and I've cleaned up all of the parts, including the edge. So let's fit it. So for all of those who have watched me use my new tool over there, I did not go crazy and I am still going to put them to 25 Newton meters. So now that's all torqued up, I'm really happy with that. We're going to put the oil housing filter gasket back and pop it back on. So I know I didn't record putting it back on and the seal inside. However, it's got the new seal and I've torqued that down now as well to 25 Newton meters. I've put the new oil filter in as well. Obviously I just need to tighten it up. So now what we're going to do is get the exhaust manifold back on. Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Up to the stage with a drink, like I'm giddy on, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Give it, I'm trying to do shit for real and all. Now we gotta be in here with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it on, give me the spirit on. So we let the leader like a teacher at the cinema. Then we got it back up, secret like a pelican. All these future times, people asking me what we've been on. You know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it blow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yay? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful it made me say thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. So, after trying to figure out where everything went, I've done it. Let me show you. Every single nut and bolt is accounted for, which I didn't think would be possible. So, left to do, we've got the vacuum pump, which I've got a brand new one, I'll explain that soon, and the valve cover. Then we can put back everything else, so your air boxes and all your plastics at the top. You saw me reassemble the whole front of this Mini. However, I've had to undo some of that work because I need to replace the belt and the tensioner, but to get to it, I needed to undo this. So I've saved the time, I've done that for you. So we have a BMW Group valve cover and our new vacuum pump. I'll explain why I got a new vacuum pump and didn't just order the seal. It turns out to be a lot cheaper, to be honest, so works out well. So first things first, we're going to come right down here. You can see there, this is how we release the tension for the belt, and this is the whole unit that we're going to replace. It is just mounted on, so let's crack on. So I've got my 21, it wasn't actually a 22, and if you come closely, I can pull this, and this little pin pops. Didn't pop in that time, bear with me. Pops in like that, and it's released all of the tension so I can get the belt off. So after trying to figure out how to get it off around here, I had to revert to a video tutorial, and it is actually stupidly simple. There's a little thing here, you pull it and then you can move the belt, but I need two hands, but you see that? If it got caught on everything, it did. And we was definitely right in getting this belt changed. It's worn. We're going to attempt. to get the actual tensioner off. Come and have a look at this. How's my look? The bolt holding it on is too long to come out without having to take the whole front end back off. Now can I get it out, or do I still need to take the front end off because it's not, because I don't have enough space? No. Wasn't even too bad. It is caked in oil. However, I would definitely recommend, whilst you've got the front end off, you do that, because that was not fun. Let's get the new one on. Whilst Brad's gone to Halfords to get some brake cleaner, we're going to start working on the valve cover. So I've got my new gasket, like I said earlier. It's actually a BMW Mini, so it's an original part. But before I do anything, let's make sure it fits. It fits perfectly. You can also see, if you put your finger down there, where these seals were leaking, wow, I mean, they're so brittle, it's actually unreal. But they were completely flat. All of that is caked in oil. All of here, I mean, if you can, I don't know if you can see, zoom in a little bit. All of the oil. See all that oil? They could probably snap. There we go, look. To show you how brittle they were. If you squeeze them, they snap. Rubber's not supposed to do that. So yeah, let's get this attempted, you know, cleaned up, ready for it to go on. We've got new spark plugs to get in and everything, so let's do it. So I've had a go at cleaning it, still got a bit to do. However, I just wanted to show you, if you can see this pool of oil here, I mean, this is obviously where it was leaking the most. Straight down the side. Hence why they've replaced the alternator. Probably why all the side of this engine bay is really dirty and oily, and that probably caused the belt squeak, so on and so forth. So yeah. So now that the valve cover is on, we're going to start to put our new tensioner in and our new belt. So that should stop any belt squeaks. So without further ado, I mean, now we're looking extremely good. So new tensioner is on. Sorry, autofocus is rubbish. The only thing that I haven't got is a bolt, a spanner big enough for here. So I need to go to Halfords and buy one. We're going to put the new vacuum pump on now. The valve cover is done. We've cleaned up everything under here with the new belt. It's absolutely fantastic. So now what we're going to do is put back this bar, probably put the new spark plugs in, put the vacuum pump on, and we're in a very good position. So before I got any further with any part of work, I had to clean the unit. It was driving me insane. So let's have a look. Look how much space we have just to move around, and obviously you've got the MR2 and the BMW over there, but we've also got some racking, which, you know, I'm really proud of because I've done all of this on my own. So to get this, it's amazing. Let's get back on with the Mini. It's very easy to put this in. I've cleaned off the seal. All we've got to do is make sure this is in line with that inside. So definitely that isn't in line, so the bolt goes there. I'm not gonna lie, the only thing that I'm really worried about is where all these wires go. Surely we'll figure it out. So, new vacuum pump is on, new tensioner is on. We've done the oil sump gasket, we've done the oil housing filter gasket, we've done the valve cover gasket. Now if you remember, they put the wrong spark plug in here. So it's got the new one in, but we're going to swap out the other ones as well. And if you see all that oil, that is because the valve cover gasket was broken. More oil. Now if you remember how brittle that valve cover was, I'm really not so surprised. It snaps as soon as you bent it. So. And more oil. Thank God we're replacing them. And that's the new one that we've already fitted, so just wanted to see. So that's the new one. Let's get the rest in. So it said it had a misfire when I bought it, and it was because, if you don't remember, they tried to fit that one in, which is obviously not the right size. Voila! These spark plugs are in. Guessing we're going to have to try and figure out where all this wire and stuff goes.